I know you guys. And a lot of y'all come on and be like, oh, if him do your mama, if him do no mama, some on the blood clot papa breed no mama from she at 12. I don't even want to do this. But I'm madness it
Guys, just focus on power techno, please. Just
when I chat the badness. Wanna fuck around and I don't know. Rebel, good morning, beautiful. What's poppin'? Wow. I'm not even cussing.
no, true. As somebody admitted, that's why.
You don't see how calm I am? Sexy Nikki, I always pray. Touch not thy Lord anointed. And remember, this is a promise to you all. And I say this. Numaroka imoka. Numaroka imoka. And I speak this to existence. You see all of you fake ass that want to plot and see me go down? Y'all gonna go down before me. That's a promise. Numaroka imoka. That's the promise. All of y'all that want to see me go down, y'all gonna vanish like butter to sun. Y'all gonna vanish like butter to sun. All of y'all gonna fade like dust to wind. That's a promise from me. That's my promise to you. Numaroka imoka. That's my promise to y'all. Numaroka imoka. All of y'all that think y'all can use your mind games and think y'all can break me, my promise to you is y'all gonna fade like butter to sun.
People have enough to distract you. All enough to do other distract.
Like dust to wind. That's a promise.
It's just different. Guys,
Let's go, chat.
What touch my side? Guys, we're trying to push up the school.
Never hear say touch not thy Lord anointed yet. Eh? We never hear touch not thy Lord anointed yet. Eh? Watch him get all that early cute in the morning. Somebody say me cute. Eh? Want to know far no fuck out to no longitude and latitude. So now for come to Jamaica with 2 little boys right now about 2 shilling. Hey, me I keep my cool. Coming ready for cremate some on the blood clot over this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, go left me.
Yeah.
You know why? That's no screen record. That's true.
You know that. Later,
all right, booby. All right, no, stay with me. If you go away this track. Why you never stay with me so me not get me not lose it? Yeah. Some of them big all kind conky where are foreign where man fuck them ears and them nose and them mouth long time. We have to come and Jamaica come pick up a boy. Yeah. Pick up a blood clot boy, kind of boy not dead for them. Them have to go pick up a boy we're frightened when I used to nothing. All when me living in a box, me used to things. Some on a big fuck up where man done pan on a fuck out on a longitude and latitude. And me make destruction and fall on. Eh? But on a blood clot over there and live up on name. All wanna have badge we big like God. Now buff on the head. Cause remember, me no like somehow. No blood clot like me. Some know somehow no like me. And somehow the blood clot rankers on a boy. Cause you know what somehow no do? On the go around and discuss man with gifters. And try fight out man with gifters.
You alright, Roger?
Because you don't know say man energy natural. Yeah. You don't know man energy not mega. I don't want it in a screen recording. Come off. My soul come back for you.
Okay, alright, Roger. But just keep positive, Roger. Don't pay negative no mind. See you later.
I'm not paying a negative mind, but I have to address some of them. Some of them no fuck out. Come off, little girl. I might get in a